Welcome to the AI Generation channel.
In this video, I will show step by step how you can use artificial intelligence tools to write a story and create animations easily. You can find links to these tools in the description below. It takes only 2 steps, creating a story and creating animation. So let's get started. Step 1. Writing the story with ChatGPT. If you don't have account yet, sign up here. If you have, log in. You can also log in using your Gmail or Microsoft account. Choose ChatGPT. Next, done. In this input field, enter a prompt for creating story. We will create a short story about brave chicken. Sent. It will take less than 1 minute. Once the story is ready, we can move on to the next step. Step 2. Creating animation using Artflow. Register or log in as in the previous step. First of all, we have to create images for our animation. Select Image Studio and enter the image creation interface. Set the format to a 3:2 ratio. Go back to the story you wrote using ChatGPT and copy the first paragraph. Paste it into your prompt input field. In the Select Style section, select Add Style. Here you can choose a style you like. I will choose the cartoon style. I don't want to use default Artflow style. So in deleting it, click on Flow button and wait for the images to be generated. Artflow creates 4 images for each prompt. Repeat this process to generate images for the remaining parts of your story. I will only do this for 2 paragraphs. Once all the images are created, it's time to animate them. Select the Video Studio from the left side and enter the video creation interface. Pay attention that you can create maximum of 20 scenes. For the first scene, select the image you created first. I will choose this one. Select the Effects section where you can select one of the moving effects. Select the Dialogue section. Copy the text of the first paragraph your story from ChatGPT page. Paste it into the input field, enter dialogue. Please note that you can enter maximum of 300 characters. From the left side, select Audio Gallery and select the voice you like. Each voice has a list of moods. I will choose a male voice, George. Oh, I accidentally started with the second scene, so I put it first. Good. Click on Scene button and repeat this process also for other parts of your story. When all the scenes are ready, it asks time to export the animation. Select the Export option. Enter a title for your video. Click on Export Video button and Artflow will start generating animations. It may take a few minutes. Please note that generating one video costs 1 credit per shot. Artflow provides free monthly credits, 100 images and 30 video credits. Also, you can buy more if you need. So, my animation is ready. Check the result by clicking on the preview.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills.
If you are happy with the result, save it. Here are 2 download options: download and download with subtitles. If you don't like the result, you can edit the video by clicking on Remix button. Now let's look at our final result.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a chicken named Cluckington. Cluckington was unlike any other chicken in the village. While his feathered friends were content with scratching the dirt for worms and staying within the safety of the chicken coop, see. One sunny morning, as the other chickens clucked away contentedly, Cluckington hatched a bold plan. He had heard tales of a legendary treasure hidden deep within the forbidden forest, just beyond the village. Determined to prove his bravery, Cluckington decided to embark on a daring quest to find the.
Now you know how to write a story and create animations using free artificial intelligence tools.
Stay on the channel and find even more interesting and useful videos.